What's up, you guys? It's your girl on another with another video. So today, you guys can see the title. We're going to be doing the slime video. If you do not know what the slime video is, what? So you do not turn it down.
그들은 이제 신의 at Macy's. For those who thirst for more, Coors Light.
Go get one. Go. But anyways, we're going to be doing a slime video. But do not know what the slime video is. Like I said, if you do not know what the slime video is, it's like a video where you make slime. You test all kinds of different slime in different ways, excuse me. So I will be back when I with my Nutella, my thing I want to make with, but I might be with the ones that I really to make slimes. Yeah, I will see you. So yeah, I'm back. I got everything I need like this. Okay, I have the gorilla gel. I want to make some gorilla. Yeah. I have the baking soda is about 10. I got baking soda toothpaste. My messing tool. And let's see what it's doing. First thing I will be back when I am done with the shipping. Sorry. Yeah, I'm back and I have the shipping person. So you want to put 2 drops? This one looks good. Wait. It's new. That's all I got to stay down. I'm so sorry, but and if you guys may be wondering why I said sorry, because now when I'm showing guys some, just wait. I just wanted to see. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna stir it in. So yeah, let's continue with the video. Let's continue the video because I both person and this is all sugar cane. So yeah, no, but I'll show this one. I will see you in a hand action and then this country. So let's go. So yeah, I'm back and my hand is all clipped up. As you guys can see, that does not begin with Chrissy going for a dumpy. Or not, I don't, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go and put these back. So, well, I'm gonna put some, I don't know if I'm missing any. This one I need. Anyways, I'll do this. Yeah, that for sure. I see when my hands are clean. Oh yeah, oh my god, I'm so tired of doing this. I know that kind of might be quick, but I'm gonna put these put this in this, put this I'm gonna put this in garbage. Put this back in my slime thing that I like put this in my slime thing so I can kind of know what I'm gonna do or make anything. So I put this in the slime tray. I have a slime tray. I'm not gonna do a slime video. The slime commission shall get more slime. So yeah, this is one. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I will see you when I am done. And I am back. As you guys can see, but the stuff. Take out some too. Huh? Take out some on here. Okay. So guys, I'm going to go and get the clothes for my trunk, my mother's trunk, so I will see you. Well, you're not going to see you guys. Yeah, I want to see you guys. I'll see you when I'm done.